Percentage composition is the percentage of a formula mass represented by each element. An example would be like this right here. It's C2H5OH. And you take the number of how many elements there are. So in this one, it would be 2 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 1 oxygen. And you multiply that number by the atomic number. So you do 2 times 12 for carbon, which gives you 24. 6 times 1 for hydrogen, which will give you 6. And 1 times 16 equals 16, which gives you oxygen. And then you divide it by the molar mass of the compound, which is 46. So 24 divided by 46 gives you 52%, which is carbon. 6 divided by 46 gives you 13%, which is hydrogen. And 16 divided by 46 gives you 35%, which is oxygen. And now we do empirical formulas, which is the simplest formula that represents the whole number ratio between the elements in the compound. An example of that would be they'll give you, this is 36.5% sodium, 25.4, as you can see, you probably can't see it, but 25.4% sulfur and 38.1% oxygen. So what you do is you find the mole of that. You find the mole, which we will find by taking 36.5 and dividing it by the original mass of the element. And the mole for sodium is 1.6. The mole for sulfur is 0.79. And the mole for oxygen is 2.4. So then you divide it by the least number that you got, the least mole, which is sulfur, 0.79. So then your answers, so you do 1.6 divided by 0.79, which gives you 2. 0.79 divided by 0.79, which gives you 1. And 2.4 divided by 0.79, which equals 3. And so your empirical formula would be Na2SO3. And that's how you do empirical formulas and percent composition.